How to swap USDT to Dogecoin on Uniswap on BNB chain using the Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet. Before starting, make sure that your Cypherock X1 Vault is connected to your laptop. Step 1. Visit the Uniswap website and launch app. Let's change the network to BNB chain. Select USDT and then select Dogecoin. Disclaimer, make sure that you have the right token. Always use the address of the token to select it. You can find the address of Dogecoin on CoinMarketCap. Copy the address and paste it on Uniswap. The correct coin is shown and you can select it. Step 2. Connecting the wallet. Click on Connect Wallet and then select Wallet Connect. You will see a QR code along with a desktop option. From that list, select Cypherock. You will be redirected to the CySync app. Select the BNB chain account from which you want to make the transaction and select Continue. Go back to Uniswap website and you can see that your wallet is successfully connected. Step 3. Choosing the tokens. Select USDT and then Dogecoin by pasting the address we copied from CoinMarketCap. Enter the amount of USDT which you want to swap with Dogecoin. You will also see an estimated value of Dogecoin you will receive after the swap. This is the amount you have to pay as gas fees to make this transaction. Check everything once again and click on Swap and then Confirm Swap. You will be redirected to the CySync app to execute the transaction. Click Continue. Select the checkmark option. Blind signing, okay? Verify the derivation path, okay? Match the recipient ID shown on the device with the one on the CySync app. This is the transaction fees. Click the checkmark option. Enter the PIN if you have set up one. Fetch and tap any X1 card on the X1 device. Your transaction was successful. Check the transaction details. Just wait for a few seconds for this to load. Until then, let's check and see if we have received the tokens or not. Switch to CySync app. Click on Disconnect. As you can see here, the Dogecoin has been received, and it shows success in the transaction details as well. So this is how you can swap USDT to Dogecoin on Uniswap using the Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet. Buy the Cypherock X1 from Cypherock.com.